Hey guys, Tiana here with BGC, and this week I'm going to be bringing you another recipe. We're going to be making yogurt bark. Alright, so I have all of my ingredients that I'm going to be using to make my yogurt bark. We have some chopped up strawberries, granola, blueberries, honey, vanilla, and a lemon that we will be using. 2 cups of yogurt as well. I used vanilla yogurt, but you can use plain yogurt if you'd like. So first things first, we're going to take our honey. This is a 1/4 cup of honey, and we're going to pour it into our bowl. And then I have about 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Just pour that in there. And then we're gonna lightly squeeze this lemon. You want maybe about 1/4 teaspoon squeezed into it. And then you just mix it. Use a whisk or a spoon. Make sure it's blended very well. It shouldn't take that long at all. Then I set aside a pan that I have parchment paper lined on it, and then we're just going to take our yogurt and spread it on the pan. And then just use the back of the spoon, smooth it out. You can give the pan a little shake. And then we can just start adding our topping. So I chose to use blueberries and strawberries, but you can use any fruits that you prefer. And you just pretty much sprinkle it on there. And then we're gonna lay some of our strawberries on there. All right, and then last thing is our granola. Right, and that's it. And then we're gonna set it into the freezer for about 3 hours or so. You can leave it in there longer if you need, but 3 hours should do the trick. And then once we take it out, we can just break it up into pieces and you will have your yogurt bark.
3 hours later.
Okay guys, so I put our treats in the freezer for about 3 hours and they are all frozen. So we can go ahead and start cutting it up and then enjoy it. All right. It tastes amazing. All right. Well, I do hope that you guys enjoy it. Please take pictures and post them in the comments. Let us know how you enjoy these treats as well. Hope you enjoy your day.